In today's video, I will walk you through how to create an API key on ElevenLabs. From the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Developers. This will take you to the area that contains the developer tools and resources available for your account. After entering the Developers section, switch to the API Keys tab. This page displays all of the API keys associated with your account. If you've created API keys before, they'll appear here. If this is your first API key, the list will simply be empty until you create one. To create a new key, locate the Create Key button and click it. You'll now begin the setup process for your new API key. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a name for the key. Choose a name that clearly identifies what the key will be used for. Giving each key a descriptive name makes it easier to recognize later, especially if you create additional API keys in the future. After entering the name, you'll see an option to restrict key if you want to apply restrictions to how the key can be used. Enable this option and continue configuring it according to your needs. Next, you'll find the option to apply a credit limit to the key. If you want to control how much credit the key can use, set the credit limit before continuing. After that, you'll need to choose which features the API key is allowed to access. Review the available feature list and select only the features you want this key to be able to use. The permissions you choose determine what actions the API key will have access to. Take a moment to review the name, restrictions, credit limit, and selected features before creating the key. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, click the Create Key button to generate the API key. After the key has been created, it will appear on the screen. At this point, you can copy the API key directly to your clipboard using the available copy option. If you return to the API Keys tab later, you'll also be able to see the API keys you've previously created listed there, making it easy to manage multiple keys if needed. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.